Myself, Assistant Professor D.S. Kamble, Department of Commerce, GKG College, Kolhapur. In company final account, there are two statements important. And now this topic we discuss on statement of profit and loss account. We see the some important points included in profit and loss account. कंपनी फायनल अकाउंट मध्ये प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट आणि बॅलन्स शीट ह्या दोन गोष्टी महत्त्वाच्या असतात. त्यामध्ये प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट मध्ये कोणकोणत्या गोष्टी महत्त्वाच्या येतात किंवा कोणकोणत्या महत्त्वाच्या गोष्टींचा समावेश होतो त्याचा अभ्यास आपण या घटकामध्ये करणार आहोत. Does not require the preparation of separate trading account and profit and loss appropriation account. Only one account, statement of profit and loss, would be. However, the account into three sections to get clear picture of the profit and loss for the year. It is recommended that appropriations of profits may not be mixed up with the expenses chargeable to statement of profit and loss to arrive at net profit or loss. In practice, the statement of profit and loss is in variety divided into two sections. The second section being the appropriation account, though it is not headed like that. A standard form is prescribed by law for the statement of profit and loss of company, and according to section 128 and 129, every financial statement a company shall give true and fair view of the profit or loss of the company for the financial year and shall comply with the requirements of part 2nd of schedule 3rd. The statement of profit and loss must clearly set out the various items relating to the income and expenditure of the company, arranged under the most convenient heads, and it must disclose separately the information prescribed by law. Some special points. For the purpose of comparison, the corresponding amounts for the preceding financial year must be given in statement of profit and loss account, and money received by managing agents, secretaries and treasuries, directors, managing directors or managers, either from the company or its subsidiaries, be shown separately. The law requires the opening and closing stock of finished products to be shown separately, and for the full accounting period or for the period for which the debentures are outstanding, during such a period is debited to statement of profit and loss if the trial balance does not indicate the payment of interest at all in full. The unpaid amount is to be shown in the balance sheet. प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट हे कंपनीच्या नियमानुसार प्रत्येक कंपनीला डिस्क्लोज करावं लागतं. त्यामध्ये कंपनीचा प्रॉफिट झाला आहे की लॉस झाला हे डिस्क्लोज होतं, त्याच्यामध्ये स्पष्ट होतं. त्यामध्ये डिबेंचर इंटरेस्टच्या गोष्टीचा एक उल्लेख केला जातो आणि त्याच्यानंतर इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्व्हेस्टमेंट ह्यामध्ये कोणत्या भागाचा समावेश असतो. इंटरेस्ट फॉर द फुल पिरियड फॉर द पिरियड ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट्स standing in the books must be provided for and credited to statement of profit and loss. Such adjustments are called self-evident or implied adjustments, and they are not required to be stated in the problem. Discount on debentures preliminary expenses. The amount asked to be written off is to be charged to statement of profit and loss, and the remaining balance is to be shown in the balance sheet under the headings miscellaneous expenditure and losses on the asset side. In the case of discount on debentures, the amount to be written off can be arrived at on the basis of information given regarding the period of debentures, and it is to be transferred to capital reserve, and it is to be taken into statement of profit and loss under the head other income. Income tax, provision for taxation or provision for income tax. The income tax is charged on the profits earned by the company. However, the profits are assessed to income tax in the next year and not in the same accounting year. As such, liabilities for income tax is required to be credited during the accounting year on estimated basis by making necessary provisions. The amounts of income tax estimated and provided during the accounting year is termed as provision for income tax or provision for taxation. What will be the entry? Statement of profit and loss account debit to provision for taxation. Advanced payment of tax. Each company is required to estimate its tax and pay it in advance in the accounting year and not to delay the payment till the assessment is made. An exact amount of tax is determined by the income tax office. The tax paid by the company before determination of exact amount of tax by the income tax office is called advance payment of tax, and is shown on the asset side of the balance sheet under the subheadings loans and advance. This advance payment is adjusted against the actual income tax to be paid. Tax deducted at source. A company may purchase shares, debentures, etc. of the other companies. These companies are required to deduct tax at certain rates from the amounts of dividends or interest payable to the investing company and pay the amount so deducted to the government. The amount deducted from dividend or interest towards the payment of tax is termed as tax deducted at source in the books of investing company and shown in the balance sheet as an asset under the subheadings loans and advance. This amount is also adjusted next against the actual amount of income tax payable by the company. Income tax account debit to tax deducted at source account credit. If the amount of actual income tax is more than the total amount of advance payment of tax and tax deducted at source, the balance of income tax is payable on payment. The entry is income tax account debit to bank account credit. And managerial remuneration. The total managerial remuneration payable by the public company or a private company which is a subsidiary of public company to its directors and its managing agents or secretaries and treasuries or manager in respect of any financial year shall not exceed 11% of the net profits of the company for the financial year. Remuneration of directors. The remuneration payable to a director shall be inclusive of the remuneration payable for service rendered by a director. A director may receive remuneration by way of a fee for each meeting of the board of directors to committee thereof attended by him. The remuneration of the directors shall not be deducted from the gross profits. प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या स्टेटमेंटमध्ये कोणकोणत्या गोष्टीचा समावेश होतो किंवा कोणकोणत्या गोष्टींच्या ॲडजस्टमेंट येऊ शकतात, तर डिबेंचर इंटरेस्ट विषयी येऊ शकतात, इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्व्हेस्टमेंट, डिस्काउंट ऑन डिबेंचर, प्रीमियम एक्सपेन्सेस किंवा इन्कम टॅक्स. अशा पद्धतीचे आल्यानंतर सर्वसाधारण एंट्री याची कशी होते बघा, तर स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रोव्हिजन फॉर टॅक्सेशन किंवा स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट टू डिबेंचर्स. त्याच्यानंतर रेम्युनरेशन जे मॅनेजरचं असतं त्याची एंट्री असताना कशी येते बघा, मॅनेजर्स रेम्युनरेशनची आपण एंट्री करत असताना किंवा डायरेक्टर फीचे आपण मानधन जे देतो डायरेक्टरला त्याची एंट्री कशी येऊ शकते, तर प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट टू रेम्युनरेशन ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स. आणि या सर्वसाधारण गोष्टीमध्ये प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या गोष्टीमध्ये आपल्याला मांडणी करत असताना त्याची मांडणी ही व्हर्टिकल पद्धतीने करायची असते. व्हर्टिकल म्हणजे कसं, एका सरळ रेषेमध्ये, टी डायग्राम पद्धतीने किंवा हॉरिझॉन्टल पद्धतीने नव्हे तर एका रेषेमध्ये आपल्याला मांडणी करायची असते. पहिला इन्कम घ्या, त्याच्यानंतर एक्सपेन्सेस त्यामधून वजा करा, त्याच्यामधून एक्सपेन्सेस वजा केल्यानंतर तुमच्या प्रोव्हिजन ज्या गोष्टी आहेत म्हणजे टॅक्स विषयी प्रोव्हिजन असेल किंवा इतर गोष्टीच्या प्रोव्हिजन असतील त्या मायनस करा. प्रोव्हिजन मायनस करून झाल्यानंतर तुम्हाला जी अमाऊंट मिळेल ती अमाऊंट असेल आपल्याला एकतर प्रॉफिटची असेल किंवा एकतर ती लॉसची असू शकेल. थँक्यू.